Hello students, so today I'm going to show you how to make your Word documents the way I want them to be laid out. So first you're going to open Word and you're going to click on blank document. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to go to the font and change it to Times New Roman. The second thing is you're going to change the font size to 12-point font. This is how every Word document you submit is going to be. Next, I want you to look in the paragraph section right here and click on this little arrow. When you click on it, this should pop up and I want you to go to line spacing, click on the down arrow, slide, and then click on double. And once you've done that, I want you to come over to spacing and look at the after, and if it's at 8 point right now, I want you to click on the downward arrow and change it to 0. And then once you've done that, click OK. And you should be ready to go. Now the next thing I want you to do is double click for your header, and I want you to go back to your home up here on the tabs and change the font to Times New Roman 12-point font. Even for your headers, I want your fonts to be like this. You're going to tab twice, you're going to put your name, enter, tab twice, you're going to put your class name. So for us would be 4A. Then you're going to enter, tab twice, and put the assignment. Okay? Then you're going to double click out of that. And for your titles, I always want them centered in your paper. Then don't forget to change it back to left alignment. And you're going to hit tab for your very first paragraph. Okay? And then you're going to type your paragraph. Your whole paragraph goes here, all the way down. And your paragraphs should be 4 to 6 sentences each. You guys are in 4th grade now, so I expect 4th grade paragraphs. Then when you're done with your first paragraph, you're going to hit enter, tab, and start your second. And then that will continue on until the very end when you get to your conclusion. And then when you're done, you're going to make sure you go to review and check your editor right here. If you can see that on my screen, your editor should be on the left side, and it will give you corrections for spelling, grammar, everything else, okay? I want you to make sure you do that before you turn it in. And then you're going to click File, Save As, and you're going to save it to your OneDrive, or you're going to save it to this computer. And you're going to name it. You're going to name your assignment and save. Okay? That is how you make a Word document for this class. Thank you.